How to print transaction summary from Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Log into your account using your user ID and password. Next, go to the account section in your online banking dashboard and select the account for which you want to print the transaction summary. Then, navigate to the Statements or Transactions tab. Choose the date range for the transaction summary you want to print. Look for the print icon or the option to download the summary as PDF. Click the print button to send the transaction summary to your connected printer, or save the PDF to your device and print it later. If you have trouble printing online, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer service or visit the local branch for assistance. Printing your transaction summary regularly helps you keep track of your spending and manage your finances effectively. And that's it. Now you know how to print transaction summary from Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.